Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Azmi Hasnazia and my partner is
Rizky Pratama.
We want to presentation about implementation Windows Server to computer client mini market. We are from group 2.
Okay, so we will explain about how to configure a Windows server with a Windows client, connectivity with the theme of a mini market structure.
This is Windows Server. This is a Windows Server configuration by setting an IP network to connect to the Windows client.
We configuring the main server will make it easier connect to client by creating domain server first. Okay, so look at that.
Okay.
We rename the computer server, and then we make a domain server. This is computer server .local Windows firewall, and we enable the remote management, remote desktop, and we configuring the IP address from internet.
Windows 7 client. After configuring the server domain and IP on the server, the client will be connected by join the domain.
And then is proof of network connection that have been connected by the server to the domain that is listed. Welcome to the computer server.local. We open the CMD command prompt, and then we ping the server, and the server will reply from the client.
Active Directory is the main installation before configuring other.
Okay, in the front of role and Active Directory feature, the server and client are configured. Okay, let me show you server Windows Server 2012 R2. This lock screen Windows Server 2012.
Input the password username,
and then automatically we open Server Manager.
The first configure this local server. The second enroll and feature, and then
in the Address and Feature Wizard, click next. The installation type, we choose the role-based or feature-based installation.
Or feature installation. Next, name computer server and domain computer server local.
We must install several feature and roles, like Active Directory domain services is being installed. And then DHCP server, DNS server, and other. Okay, cancel the wizard and back to the PowerPoint.
Open the Active Directory user and computer first. Create an organizational unit in the server computer.
Click tools and click Active Directory user computer.
Yes.
In the Active Directory user computer,
click right computer server local. Select new. Select organizational unit.
Okay, in the organizational unit, put name. You must create group and user.
Yes.
This is example about organizational unit.
We create akuntansi 1 and click Try. Select Properties and to the member.
We add the
Some
user. We add some user.
And
We put the Asma
Example.
Anastasia and click OK, and then the name has been adding to accountancy one group.
DHCP or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and service that automatically provides client IP number, so the administrator doesn't need to give a request to the server.
DHCP server configuration is automatic or manual. To active the DHCP server step by step that must be passed is not too complicated. Among them, setting the IP address network, install the DHCP server, configure and restart the network. DNS domain name system is a UDP protocol for changing IP addresses into domain. Our server has an IP addresses we make the IP address server 192.168.1.1, and then we make the IP address client 192.168.1.4.
DNS domain name server or system. DNS, the function is make the name of a domain that has a subpartition of a domain and also the IP of that domain.
And then we must replying the domain, we make the domain in the server. In the ping client, ini market web computer server Windows 7, and another we create a web page that can be accessed by client and server. Of course, with the step by step of making HTML web. This will make a mini market web by step of making HTML web. Okay.
To make sure the web can be accessed from the server and client, configure it on the server and the client can only access the content of the web.
Okay, in the look screen Windows 7, we input
we can make another user in group manager. Example, switch user.
and we choose other user. For example, we make the user cashier, and we input the password.
Cashier.
In the desktop Windows 7, we click the Explore and we open the web before we create the web server. Is minimarket dot computer server is a domain server.
Local.
Domain. Okay, HTML web. For example, minimarket Suburjaya. Okay, close and back to the PPT. File share is a making file that will be given to a client or user group with the same or different contents. With the same different content, file share can be insert one user One user can not open files that are not his right the file user. Okay.
Making permission from a file share will certainly prevent the client from creating files that are not in its category and also cannot access those there are not the file right.
Okay. This is permission the user cannot be upload or the create some file content in the permission in server manager.
The printer must be installed on a server with the name and brand determined from the server, and also printer access to client user who are given to use the printer.
Group cluster is a virtual role that manages the data. This manages the data, a collection of files shared by several groups and users, so that they are structured and neat.
This is remote desktop to be able to remotely via the server needs to join the domain with the server and also activate the remote desktop on the server and in the client user.
This implementation is often implemented where the server does not need to come to the client PC, so that it control administrator can control remotely with the exact same situation as the Windows client.
Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you try it on your Windows host and it will be as successful as the procedure.
Okay, always stay healthy at home, and hopeful, useful. Don't forget to the likes and comment below. Okay, thank you for your attention and thank you for
Thank
the
you for
watching. Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.